Whether you have been using JD Shopping app for a very long time or you are new to JD Shopping app, in this tutorial, I will show you on how to place your first order successfully on JD Chinese Shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your JD app. Have you opened up your JD app? Next thing you want to do is to search for products from different stores in JD Shopping app. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products in JD Shopping app. One of the first easy way is to simply come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can make use of this camera icon right here, which allows you to upload product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. Or better still, if you have a certain product code, you can make use of this icon right here to upload product code. So whichever way you use to search for products, then you can also scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products from the sections right here. After you are able to source and find the right product, next thing you want to do is to see how we place the order successful in JD Shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Ravi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, IDFees, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, we want to see how we can firstly place our first order in JD Shopping app. So for that, I've already added the product I want to place order for to cart. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here, open up my cart. So here we go. These are all the products in my cart right here. So I'm going to go ahead and place order for this one right here. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to select the product. Just like so. Having selected the product, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. The checkout right here, scroll down right here, continue to scroll down and choose means of payment. In JD Shopping app, there are so many means of payment right here. Go ahead and click on here to see more means of payment. These are all available means of payment as at the time of making this video. However, I'm going to use WeChat Pay as a means of payment. So having select my WeChat Pay, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed with the payment. Allow WeChat Pay to connect, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on Pay right here. Enter my payment password to complete the payment. Payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and click on back to vendor right here. Just like so. Next thing we want to do, you can see a proof of payment right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go to my dashboard. Then from my dashboard right here, by the time I refresh, the order we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship products from China using JD Shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, IDFees, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.